All right, so why would the FDA ban a joint supplement? Well, for very good reason. Check out this headline. Amazee, that's the name of this amazing joint supplement product, contains hidden drug ingredients. So let's dig into this because this is fairly recent, but all too common in the world of, miraculous joint supplements, help your pain with less medications, drugs. The angle these companies take is that, hey, we got a natural thing. So we're looking at the product down here. It's hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a natural component made by the joint and the joint lining to lubricate the joint. So on the surface, hey, this sounds like a good idea. Hyaluronic acid, I could take this little caplet of this thing daily, lubricate the joints, feel better, maybe not have to take some of the other medications with more side effects like anti-inflammatory medications, the ibuprofen, Aleve, and all that stuff. But hey, let's dig into this article because they are advising consumers not to purchase anything from this company. And again, it's sold in various places. We're not blaming the websites for selling these. It's really the company behind this. But here's what their analysis, check this out. The analysis confirmed that Amazee contains diclofenac and omeprazole, which are not listed on the product label. So diclofenac is an anti-inflammatory drug. So no wonder the product works amazingly, because it's not the hyaluronic acid, because who knows if it even has a good component of hyaluronic acid in there, but it actually has a drug in there. So a drug designed to decrease inflammation and help with joint pain. So diclofenac is very commonly prescribed medication or even a topical NSAID, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug to help people with these symptoms. So again, as we cruise through this, okay, omeprazole, well, what is omeprazole? Omeprazole is a proton pump inhibitor, commonly referred to as a PPI, used to treat stomach acid-related disorders. So why would we do this in there? Because again, if they have a drug with an anti-inflammatory, we know that the anti-inflammatories have a side effect of impairing the enzymes in one's gut. And with that, we have a lot of people can't tolerate these because they get GI distress, dyspepsia, even stomach ulcers. So now they're putting a drug in there. They're putting the counter to that drug known side effect in there. And of course, they're not listing this on the label, and off they go selling this thing. So here's the issue, right? This is the crux of it that I wanted to get to in this piece today, is that I'm all for natural remedies for joint pain, for pain in general, for inflammation, right? But we have to really do the detective work to know what we're getting from the company. And again, there's no sometimes trust in the supplement market. Unfortunately, these things are not regulated by the FDA for release to the public. They only get on the FDA's radar because of reasons like this, that there was some type of trigger there that had them analyze this product and then obviously find out what I just shared, and then advising patients to take it off the market, or in this case, they went right to the company and issued a warning down here because it's sold under different names, but again, basically told the company to voluntarily pull this stuff from the market, or they would have other repercussions. The problem with this is it's really just kind of like whack-a-mole. So they have it named Amazee, they have it named this, and that product goes away. They just relabel it, pop it up under another thing. So this is the issue, and this is the consumer advisory report today for me, is that you can't trust buying things on a lot of sites on the internet. You really have to understand the company, and things you want to understand when you look at these companies is, are they formulating these things and having a third party test these? There's a website called consumerlabs.com. You can go there and you can look at products. They do a lot of product testing to see what, does it back up what the label says? Does it have any other things in it that shouldn't be in there, like this product? Or does it even, if it is we'll say a legit product without all these, tainted drug additives, does it have what the product claims it has in here? Like this label over here says 850 milligrams of hyaluronic acid. Well, does it actually have that in it? And even if it has it in it, is it a good form and quality? And so that is the tricky thing about supplements, because I use them personally. I do recommend them to my patients as a non-surgical orthopedic doc. There are things that can benefit joints, like curcumin for inflammation, or glucosamine, or collagen products potentially, but you really, really, really have to do your homework on this. So hopefully this can help you sort through one, how to find reputable sites to buy your supplements. Two, what should you be looking for in those labels? Well, on those labels, you should be looking for some of those stamps of purity, that they're manufactured in a GMP way. That's called good manufacturing process. Maybe there's third-party certifications that they're safe to take if you're an athlete. And really, then you have to dig into the company itself to say, is this a company that will willingly take their product, share it with another company to test it for its viability, for the active ingredients in that, and really be very transparent about what that product is. Because look, if companies aren't willing to do that, because yes, it does cost money, but if they're not willing to do that, they're probably cutting corners somewhere. They're probably hiding something, and those some things could be really detrimental to your health. So hopefully that helps you. And if you like little expose pieces like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because I do these frequently.